Welcome. Today we're going to have a look at our roll back. So roll back comes as part of Grasp the Bird's Tail, and it comes after right ward off. So just making sure that we are in a correct right ward off. We've got our feet shoulder level apart. Our left foot's going to 45 degrees and our left knee is following our left toe. Our right foot is directly in front and our right knee is following our right foot. Still making sure we've got our body posture. So neck nice and tall, head nice and tall, neck nice and long, shoulders down, waist flexible, coccyx tucked under slightly, and we are in a ward off position. Our elbow is over our right knee is following our right toe, our left hand is at the bottom of right middle forearm. We can see our toes past our knee, so we've not gone too far forward, and we're in a slight lean. Roll back. At the moment, we are towards the corner. Okay. As we do our roll back, we're going to move our body towards the opposite corner. When we arrive there, you'll notice our shoulders go from towards the corner to the straight. Okay, we're not moving weight on our lower body staying where it is. It's just a waist movement. The hips stay towards the corner, and all we're doing is a waist movement, turning our elbow towards the right corner, which brings our shoulders to the straight position. What we don't want to do is to go too far and twist ourselves up the back and make ourselves uncomfortable. We need to make sure that body posture is still there. Okay, so moving our elbow to the corner. And as we look at first the right arm, as the right arm moves to the corner, we're going to open up. This is a full arm movement, and we're going to move our hand to point to the corner. So our arm here is a palm in, and as we move out, our hands turning, a full arm movement, turning till we end up at the corner. Not to the side, our hands not to the right hand side, it's to the corner and our shoulders are facing forward. Okay, and as we move, our left hand's going to go with it. So as we move to the corner, waist movement, our left hand turns to palm in. Okay, so we're here, and as we move our waist, our shoulders are going to go to the straight, and it's a full arm movement to the corner. One more time. Left arm, full arm, turns, full arm, turns. It's not a flip. We don't want to be flipping. Okay, so here we go. Waist movement and whole arm movement to the corner. Then as we come back, we're going to transfer our weight to our back foot and do our roll back to the opposite corner. Okay, so here our roll back comes down. We transfer our weight from our right foot into our back foot and we bring our hands down to the opposite corner. So in full, here we are. We're going to move, waist movement, everything turning to the corner, transferring the weight back to the opposite corner. And this is what we call a roll back. We're making sure these knees are following the toes. We don't want to have the knees coming in or out. We want the knees to be following the toes. Okay, so here and go to the corner, and then we come back to the opposite corner. So at the moment we're 60-40 and open, and then we're going to transfer 70% of the weight into the back foot. Okay, I'll show you that from the side. So we're here. Our right foot's going to go to the 45-degree position. Sorry, that's our left foot. Our left foot's going to 45-degree position, and our right foot's going to go straight. And we go waist movement, full arms moving, and pull back. Again, waist movement and roll back. So there you go. Thank you very much.